import time here at Unique, especially in classics. Nice looking one too. 1978 Fiat 124 Spider 1800. So we have a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder underneath the hood, or 1753 cc engine that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. This particular paint is the original color it would have came back in 1978. Has had a repaint along the way. Safari Ivory 285 is the paint coat on this one. You take a close look at the front bumper here, grille. Paint does show its age a little bit, but overall it does show nice. Be one you'd take to any of your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, any of your local shows. And I'm going to go through some of the stuff that has been done to this vehicle recently as far as service-wise, and let you know about that here in just a bit. Now, still pictures, if you'd like to see the underside of this car, the engine bay, the interior, the trunk, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Do have a couple little missing pieces and or a little dinger here in the side molding. Make you aware of that. And like I said, paint shows its age a little bit. There's a few touch-ups here. See some light kind of scratching in it, but overall it shows well. And remember the age of the vehicle also. Interior has been redone, so you have kind of a saddle colored vinyl interior, and that is in nice shape. Front and rear seats, and the top was also redone in a matching saddle type vinyl. There's your 5-speed on the floor, center console, and again, we're going to get over to that in a little bit and check it out a little closer. We'll pop that driver's door started up, let you see it. I'll put the top up too. Take a look at that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. In the trunk, there is a service manual for it. You'll be able to see that in the pictures. There's also, it looks like a gasket kit for this size engine, and again, it would be the 1753 cc engine, and you can see that in the pictures also. There's also pictures of the VIN that's stamped on the cowl underneath the hood, in the door jamb. So you do have all the information tags that will go along with this also, and that is in the still pictures, and those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Go ahead and take a peek down the driver's side. One thing you don't notice is a bunch of really bubbling or rusting on any of the wheel wells. Check those out in the still pictures. Again, look at the underside. Car runs very well, and I'll kind of go through what I played around with and what we checked out in the service department that works also. First off, recent service work to this. Tranny has less than 100 miles on it. Let's start there. The water pump, alternator, gas tank, electric fuel pump, those have all been replaced or gone through within the last year, as well as the brakes and bearings, radiator, new hoses. The battery is only a couple years old, but yeah, the radiator was replaced, and of course the brakes and bearings were gone through. So this car checked out rather well in our service department. Now, as far as the options in here that I played around with, the blinkers, everything worked great on it. High beams worked, windshield wiper worked. Down here is a switch for the blower motor for the defrost and heat, and there would be your temp controls. Those are all in working order also. As you can see, the dome light even works, or in this case, kind of the console light. The clock may be a little bit fogged over, but it does work too. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts, and that's not even giving it any gas. 49,831, believed to be original miles, cannot confirm or deny. Once the car becomes a certain age, it does not go along on the title, so I cannot confirm or deny that. Believed to be, as you can see, fuel gauge does work. Nice throttle response in this one. We're going to go ahead and hop out, let you check out what it sounds like from the rear, and then we're also, like I said, we're going to pop open this hood and check out that engine bay. So look at the dash here quick. Not really cracked or weather checked. Interior of this car, nice shape. And again, the seats have been redone. So there's no surprises there. Check out the driver's seat. Free of rips, tears, holes. Alright, slip around to the back of this. Whoops, didn't slam that door very hard. Pretty much standard. What you'd expect it to sound like. This door closes fine, I just hardly pushed it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, obviously the hood liner is taken off. Didn't finish that underside of the hood when they painted it. But look at how smooth this engine runs. Good sounding, smooth running engine. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. Again, 1.8 liter. What did they say? 1753 cc. And again, recent service done to it too. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second, shut her off, close up the hood, and we'll put that top up so you can check that out, and we'll wrap this video up. And here it is with the top up. Like I said, pretty much a camel or khaki colored top. And as far as fabric, vinyl, and in nice shape. Obviously, newer top. Rear window is plastic, and look at how clear that is. Not yellowed. Again, very good condition. Fits nice and snug, no rips, tears, holes. Not really even discolored in any areas, like you see sometimes. Gonna keep you out of the sun, keep you dry, whichever the need may be. But again, most of the time you're driving this car, you know you're gonna have that top down. See how nice it fits in the front where it attaches above the windshield. There you have it. 1978 Fiat 124 Spider 1800. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.